Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we have another unboxing of an Ichigo Ichie brand new pair of shoes. Now, this is another pair from the Ready to Wear collection, so figure around $500 for a handmade shoe. Great thing. Now, when he's doing the bespoke shoes himself, he does them out of Japan. He set up a workshop to do these in Vietnam. They're very cool. This is beautiful museum calf look to it. And you can see the last has got a really nice wide toe box and just a beautiful look across the entire shoe. It's just really classic. Take a look at the other one. And as we look at these, this is just a great pair of shoes. This is a really versatile color because it's not so light that it doesn't go with dark pants, but it's not so dark that you can't wear it with light ones either. So just a really classic, easygoing style. Love the Adelaide because I feel like it's got just enough broguing so that I can dress it down, and just enough formality so that it goes easily with any kind of classic menswear. So thanks for watching. This is Ichigo Ichie, and can't wait to get these on the hoof. Just a very classic shoe. And check out the toe plates. Very nice.